His Majesty King Somnala, World of Plenty Telethoughts on World of Plenty TV. Divine prophetic thoughts for your day.
Before he made us, he planned us. Therefore, I would say the story of every one of us life doesn't begin in your mother's womb.
We stand today, I'm 36 years in ministry.
Jesus said, your Father knows the number of your hairs. Notice that he didn't say he knows all your hairs. He uses a definite article when he says he knows them by numbers. It's another thing that I know you are in this house, but it's another thing to know you are number what? Who came first? Who was number what? Who said first? God knows your hair. If one of them falls down, he knows number what has fallen down. Can we clap hands? David says, before my day began on earth, everything was written in the book. He says, it's so amazing. I can't comprehend the plan, the thought you have about me. In Jeremiah, he says, before I formed you in your mother's womb. In other words, before your mother conceived you, I knew you. When you came to your mother's womb, God was a step number 2, launching you into planet Earth. But the first place he launched you is in your father's loin. In fact, if you go backward, he had planned you before even your father met, before your grandmother, your grandfather came. He plotted everything about you. With me, he said, just like there are 28 chromosomes from the father's side, which forms the structure of the body of a man, and 23 also chromosomes from the side of the mother, while the blood is provided by the father only. But what makes your features to look exactly, your mother was involved. It was important that he chose your great-great-fathers both sides and mothers both sides, so that we can have a complete structure of you. Which is why David says, I am fearfully and wonderfully made. Meaning, when God made us, he was in reverence, in honor and respect. Why that? Because there was a plan that he had to follow, like an architect who sit down and plan the house before it's built. The length, the breadth, the depth, the heights of the house is determined all before it's made. Your life was planned from eternity. So before your father's loins, we can trace you back to your great-great-great-great-great-great-greats, down to eternity before the foundation of the world, where you were an idea and planned completely before Adam was created. When Adam was built, all of us, the Bible says, we were in his loin. We were made with one blood of Adam, and he started to prepare us. He planted you in South Africa, he planted you in African continent, in one of the African continent maybe, and American or Western countries, Asian, and so forth and so forth. He knew what you will learn, the situation, the things that you will face, that will prepare you for his destiny. The Bible says he predestined us. Pre means before, destiny meaning where we're going. Before he made us, he planned us. Therefore, I would say the story of every one of us life doesn't begin in your mother's womb, nor does it begin in your father's loins. but it began from the mind of God as an idea.
We stand today, I'm 36 years in ministry.
His Majesty King Somnala, World of Plenty Telethons on World of Plenty TV. Divine prophetic thoughts for your day.